Hey guys, Karen V from Valori Huntress. So I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty, so we're gonna start shooting. Now, just so you guys know, I have my ear protection on. I'm turning it down so I can't hear anything. I have my eye protection on, which you always need to do. If you wear glasses, it's one thing where you don't really have to, but it could be still smart to do it. Now, also, just so you guys know, I have on my Girls with Gun pants. Now, I'll have it linked down below, but they actually have a spot in the pants for you to have your concealed weapon. I love these, they're super comfortable, so that's how I'm going to be using them today. See, I hate this thing. As you just saw, I was shooting my handgun safely, of course, and I noticed something was wrong. It wasn't firing right, it wasn't letting me eject the casing, and that's when we realized something was wrong. And as you could see in the footage that I just showed you guys, there was gunpowder residue all inside of my handgun, all inside of it. So what I'm doing now is showing you guys how I'm going to clean it. So I'll show you really quick. So right in there you can see a whole bunch of powder all in here. So I have to clean this. I've already taken my handgun apart safely, of course. I got the slide, I got the part that has the chamber, and my spring. So we're gonna get started. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes in here, only because I know how bad it was when everything got in there. So actual bullet got stuck right about here. So I want to make sure everything's all good in there. I want everything to stay clean. So I ran it through with one already. Now I'm going to get another one. I'm not gonna dip it in the solution again. Here's what I should have been doing. Brand new Girls with Guns shooting glasses can have two uses. Not just the actual shooting, but the cleaning also. Safety first, guys. Now, next up I'm going to be doing the slide. So one thing you guys need to realize if this is your first time cleaning is that there is a firing pin, or the firing pin, right there. So you don't want to clean it with the firing pin facing this way down here, because you're going to get stuff down into it and you don't want that. So clean it the opposite direction so the firing pin is facing downwards. So then you can take your brush . Some things I'm already noticing is when I took it apart, it's all completely apart, I got a problem. It is just completely in the trigger area. Like, there's so much in there. So let's try and show you guys. All these little polka dots right in here, that is all the powder that needs to come out. A whole bunch in here too. Okay, so I got everything all cleaned apart. My hand hurts, but it's done.